Hey everyone, in today's YouTube video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube Stories. Now, YouTube Stories are basically 15-second or less videos that you could post on YouTube, and then your audience, your subscribers, could see those. It's a great way to basically make shorter form content to keep up with your subscribers. Now, if you've ever used Snapchat or Instagram or Facebook, you've seen stories before, and they've actually been on YouTube since November of 2018, and before that even in beta to a limited group. So you just have to open up the YouTube app here. I'm on the YouTube app, and usually when you scroll down, you'll come across this section, and sometimes it's called Stories and Shorts, sometimes it's just called Stories. Now, YouTube Shorts are entirely a different thing, and anybody could make those. You need exactly 0 subscribers and 0 views to make YouTube Shorts. So watch my video on YouTube Shorts if you have 0 or 1,000 subscribers, because for YouTube Stories, at least at the time that I'm recording this, you unfortunately need 10,000 subscribers. Now, I have a different video to show you how to get to 10,000 subscribers if that's your goal, and I have at least 10,000 subscribers on this channel, so that's why I have it. But I still want to show you how to use it, so by the time you get to 10,000 subscribers, you know exactly how this works and how to utilize it to really get more engagement out of your subscribers. So again, here I'm inside of the YouTube app, and the stories show up here, and to create a story, I could either press the plus sign here to go inside of the window of the story. Let me press X. I could also press the plus sign right here and upload a story from here. It says add to your story. I'll go ahead and press that. And here now I'm inside of the story, and there's a few options I'll show you down here, but the next page is really important. So you could upload from your gallery. So if you already recorded something, you could select it from here. I haven't done that. You could go ahead and add filters to yourself. So this one's actually really nice. It blurs the background nicely. So I went and did that one, but there's a bunch of other ones. There's some really fun ones here that you could use, but I'll go to the blur the background option. So that's this one. You could turn on the flash if you want. I don't need it. And you could go ahead and flip the camera if you wanted to flip the camera. That's your option there. Then to record, you just have to press and hold right here. There's a filter tab on the top, but I'll show you that on the next page. So press and hold. Make sure you watch my latest video being released today. So I just recorded my video here. I should probably redo that. But here, I'll just press filters on top to change the different types of filters that are available. I could even make this black and white if I want to. Then you have text, the AA here, lets you add text. New video, I'll type that here. And you have a bunch of options like different fonts up here that you could choose, and you could make it have a background or no background. You could even change the color here and press done. You could place that anywhere just with your finger within your frame. Now, the next thing is draw. So you could go ahead and draw just with different Sharpies and markers that you could select right on top here. And then again, select the color here. And then you could draw like this. I'll go ahead and undo that. I don't need it for this. And then press done. Next, you have stickers. Now, this is probably one of the most useful options because the sticker option lets you promote different things. Like if you have a new video, you could use these stickers, which are better than the text I just added here. So I could grab that one and throw it in the garbage and put this here, use 2 fingers to make it bigger. And my favorite sticker is this video sticker, because you could just choose the most recently uploaded videos here, and I'll select this one. So if I wanted to promote this video, I could place that somewhere within my frame and even point to it when I create my story. And you could trim a video too. So if I started a video a little bit later, you could trim the in and the out point of the video. When I'm ready, I could go ahead and press next. And here it's gonna let you that if you're making videos for kids, you should identify them. You should do that on the YouTube website. And I have a different video on how to do that. So you could go ahead and press post right here. And it's really that simple to create YouTube stories. Again, you do need 10,000 subscribers to get this option. If you don't have 10,000 subscribers, or even if you have 0 subscribers, look at my video that shows you how to create YouTube Shorts. Those are 60 seconds or less in the same vertical format, but they show up in a similar story, similar section as YouTube Stories. But I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up. Check out the first comment below. If there's an update to this, I'll make sure I update this video, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.